Book 2, Lesson 3, A Subway Ticket. Amir is at the subway station. He needs to take the subway downtown. First, Amir needs to buy a $2 ticket. There's a long line at the ticket booth. Amir is in a hurry. He doesn't want to wait in line. Amir sees some vending machines. He can buy a ticket there. Amir opens his wallet, takes out $2. Amir puts in his first dollar. Then Amir puts in his second dollar. The second dollar comes back out. Amir puts the dollar in again. It comes back out. Amir doesn't have any more dollars. There's a man standing at the vending machine next to him. "May I give you this dollar for another one?" asks Amir. The man says, "Sorry, I don't have any cash." "Use your credit card or ATM card." But Amir doesn't have those things. He tries the dollar again. It comes back out. Amir is angry. He bangs his hand on the machine. "Don't worry," says a woman behind him. "The station agent can help you. Just stand in line at the ticket booth."